Hello everyone, today I want to show you the new Creality CR-6 SE. This is the newest 3D printer from Creality, and it won the Kickstart a couple of months ago, and I'm very excited to unbox it and see how easy or hard it is to work with it. Enjoy! Always remember when using a cutter to have an adult with you. Okay, so this is all the parts. We have this is called the filament. We have the white filament here to use. We have the handle to hold the filament. Then we have the thing that holds the handle to hold the filament, like this. We have the tower, if you say like this. And we have the tray down here and the display. Now it's time to put it all together. Okay, it's on. Okay, now let's take off the display. And now we turn it on. Okay, so it's ready now. Okay, let's see. Now we should click level. Okay, now let's start off this beauty. I just locked the filament into the 3D printer and now it's ready to go. Okay, the first thing they say we should do is level the platform. Level the bed. And now it's gonna heat up. Okay, it says we have to wait for it to get to 120. Then, yes, we should wait to make it level, just make it level. And it says it's now in 120 degrees. So now it's starting to level itself. Okay, it's starting to move. Okay, it's adjusting everything now. It's all automatic. It's measuring each corner. In now corner 4, now it's corner 5. We can see on the display. corner 6, corner 7, corner 8, corner 9, and now 10. Yep, it's going on. Okay, it has now started to print. It's not much, but it will go on. It looks beautiful.